Hey guys, it's Ducky Plays today, and today I'm going to be busting out a Hello Neighbor myth, which is that there's actually a lockpick somewhere in the game. I seen it on a YouTube video, and I'm going to be seeing if it's real or if it is fake. So let's get right into it. So first, what you want to do is just do what you would normally do to try and beat the game, but break the window, go up here. I already did this. So what we need is an umbrella. So this is all the stuff you need. Get an umbrella, get a bucket, get a box, or anything like that. And also get the magnet gun. So what you want to do is get up to the train room, because that is what we want. So I'm gonna go in here. Okay. Grab my umbrella, open this, and press the button. So what you want to do is now hop inside the train, but control it by going and pressing here. Okay, so we want to go back until we break this rod, these bars, because we want to be right here. Okay, so you go forward, and then I'm going to be pressing that. Okay, that's good enough. So this is what you want to do. You want to try jump on this platform. Yep, here. Okay, so there's nothing here, right? But actually, this is a secret door. Look, I'm going to go inside it. So that was true from the video I seen. And look, it says Unreal Engine missing script. So I'll just have to go to it. So you see this area where my dot is? That's the neighbor's house. So what you want to do is just head towards the neighbor's house and find so in the video, the lockpick is supposed to be somewhere near the neighbor's house, but yeah, so that's what the main point of this is, to see if it was fake or if it was real. So what you want to do, just keep running here to the neighbor's house. Okay, just a little bit further. So you just want to go behind the neighbor's house, which is right over here. Get run over? Whoa, you can't get run over. But okay, so now it should be somewhere over here, the lockpick. So right now I'm not seeing anything, but according to the video, it should be here somewhere. Okay, so you said it should be somewhere over here. Let's try use our magnet gun to see if we can magnet anything. Oh guys, it wasn't fake. Look, the lockpick is right here. It's stuck to this pole. So that is myth busted. It's true. So there is a lockpick. So what you want to do is try hit it. There. Now should have ourselves a lockpick, but I kind of lost mine. But okay, so that is true that there is a lockpick and you can get it, but you have to throw it because it's stuck. Like, get something to throw at it. But you have to throw it lightly, or else it will go and disappear and it will never come back. So wait, let's quickly restart the act and see if it's back. So just grab this again. So let's go back to the train and let's see if... Oh wait, I just realized that I didn't... Oh, okay, the train is there. So just wanna go back over here to this platform right here. So I'm gonna be trying to get the lockpick. It should be over here, but I'm not seeing anything. But guys, it is real. But I'm gonna restart the act for you guys. And I'm gonna do it all over again to get the lockpick and see if you can actually pick it up. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I restarted the act and the lockpick is here again. So what you want to do is just try to hit it slowly, just very lightly, and look, there we go. This is a lockpick. Okay, let me just restart it so you guys can see that the lockpick is actually there. Look right here, I got a lockpick. But now it's time to see if it actually works or if it's just there and it doesn't work at all. So we're going to be testing it out on the green door. So yes, it does work, but you get to only use the lockpick for one time. So you can't really... So you better do it like if your key is lost, or like it's an important key, because you get to only use a lockpick one time. So that means that myth or something is true. So you can use a lockpick. And that's gonna be it for today's video. So Ducky Plays out of here. Peace.